To an unboxing of this incredible card. I already took off the stamp. You know, can't be showing people's addresses on here. So I already took off the stamp. I hope everybody's doing well. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share. I told you guys we're gonna be opening up some stuff. I think I've already showed this, right? I've already shown this, right? This is, have I? Yeah. This is the Chevy. 67 Chevy C10. Look at the wheels. That's one of the things I like the most about the Super. It's the wheels, man. I like the, you know, the details and, you know, the design. It's just great. It's a nice car. Beautiful. But this one is gone already. It has a new owner. So it's gonna be going. Now this one right here, we're gonna open up right now. The Max. Let's see. See, I see it's still sealed up. So the only thing I did is to show you guys that it's live. I only took off the addresses and stuff. So, dang, it's getting a little. Let me know what you found out there. If you got anything new. Has anyone been able to get a hold of the Supreme Team Sport BMW and a truck? I don't know if anybody has been able to get a hold of that. Nice, very nice and collectible. I've got that. So, all right, here we go. It's nothing major. Well, it is major. It's not too many people have it. Man, I was hoping that he'll put some goodies in there. It's one of the 50th anniversary. All right, let's take it out. Nothing in there, nothing else. Just paper. Okay. I'll read the newspaper, see what's going on his end of the world. See what's going on. So here's the actual car. As you can see, it's one of the 50th anniversary cars. And let's open it up. Dang. All right. It's in a protector, so it's good and taken care of. It's well protected, so nothing is gonna damage the card. It's not gonna get damaged. And it is, oh man, this thing is sweet. Sweet! I love it. The gasser, man. I got another one. I know I did a video before. The gasser again. Look at that. Look at the details on that thing. Beautiful. Hey, it is the gasser. Right there. 55 Bel Air gasser. Right there. You can see the name. 55 Chevy Bel Air gasser. Ooh, here what it looks like on the back. This was the whole collection. That was a 56 Chevy. 70 AMG Javelin, 64 Econoline pickup, custom 65 Volkswagen, 71 Datsun Bluebird 510, and Volkswagen T1 drag bus, 78 Dodge Red Express truck, 53 Chevy Bel Air gasser, 69 Camaro, and 65 Ford Galaxy. Yep, those were the cards. All right, guys. Thank you much for subscribe, for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel. All right, until then. We have a couple Chevys right here in the house. In the house. Chevys in the house. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Be on the lookout for a giveaway that I'm going to be doing very soon. Till next video, happy hunting. God bless.